Okay, this is a quick overview of our HD23 power wash, soft wash, and sanitize system. So you can actually sanitize and hot water power wash with this unit. We call that the two-punch system, along with dwell time with your sanitizer. So what we're looking at is a 6.5 gallon at 4,000 psi unit, dual filters, 23 horsepower Vanguard, detergent antifreeze tanks. This is our heavy duty trailer. This is our 10K trailer, we call it. So each axle's 5,000 pounds. Fast drain. It's got our custom ground pounder deep clean surface cleaner for super deep cleaning, and it's also got the soft wash package here on it as well, with a 30-gallon tank. It's got the wand. It's got 200 feet of hose. Just a real nice clean setup. It's our most popular setup going right now. Dual guns, fill hose on the top. So there it is. It's all set up. We ship it all turnkey, ready to go. Call if you got any questions. I'd love to work with you. Take care. Thank you.